How to fix alarm no sound in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? First of all, turn off silence alarm. Open clock. Click on three dots more option. Click on settings. Here you will see silence alarm when system sound is off. Now turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off silence alarm from your phone. Now go back. After that, allow alarms. Open settings. Search allow alarm. Here you will see allow alarms notification sound in call. And if you want to allow alarm notification sound in call, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off allow alarm notification sound in call, then turn off this button. By this button you can turn on or turn off allow alarm notification sound in calls. Now go back. After that, clear data and clear cache. Again open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search clock, click on clock, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache or clear data. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. And if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, clock data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. After click on download and install, here you will see install or update option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. This is how you can fix alarm no sound in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.